Here's how you're going to use your negative thoughts to manifest anything and everything that you want. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today. On this channel, we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you would like to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you some ways to use the negative thoughts, the negative feelings you have in order to manifest what you want. Now, this technique is super fun and you are going to really enjoy it because a lot of times in our manifestation journey, we think that we have to suppress our negative thoughts or our negative feelings in order to manifest. We've been told, like, you have to be positive all the time in order to get what you want. And that's not true at all. We naturally feel negative feelings. Everybody does. We naturally get angry. And another word, annoyed. And that's exactly what we're going to be using in order to manifest our dreams and goals in today's video. I like to call this technique the annoying technique. So whatever you're manifesting right now, visualize or imagine yourself getting annoyed within that manifestation, whatever you're manifesting. So for example, I wanted to manifest going to Europe this summer, and all of you powerful creators know that I got to go to Europe. I went to Spain, Italy, France, Greece, and Monaco. But I did a lot of different manifestation techniques to get me to that point. And one was this technique, the annoying technique. So I imagine myself getting annoyed in the check-in line to check my bag. I imagine myself just being so annoyed that this line was taking so long when I needed to get to my destination. I imagine that. And when you imagine that, you are already living in the inn, because I imagined that before I even booked my ticket, before I even bought the clothes I was gonna, wear on this trip, before I even planned all that stuff. I'm already imagining myself getting annoyed in the check-in line to get to my destination. So that is living in the inn. Another way you can use this is if you are manifesting contact from someone. It could be an employer. You applied to this job and you did the interview and you want to hear from them. Or you have a specific person you want to hear from immediately. Or you have somebody else you need to hear from. Imagine them calling and texting and emailing you nonstop to get your attention that it becomes so annoying to you. You get so frustrated because it's like, goodness, I'm busy, I'm doing things. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize they called. They've been calling for days. Whatever it is, imagine yourself getting annoyed about it. Another way to do this is to manifest money by using your annoyance. What you can do is imagine yourself getting annoyed that you have to go back to the bank to cash your check. You've already gone there this week. Now you gotta go back because you got another big check. And give yourself a number there. You got $30,000 check and you gotta go back to the bank for the third time this week. You have no time to go to the bank. You're so annoyed that you have to go to the bank again. Use that feeling. We all get annoyed by things. When we're living in our manifestation, it's not gonna be rainbows and sunshine all the time. You will get annoyed by something within your manifestation, whether it be your new boss, or the business that you created. You're an entrepreneur, you may get annoyed that you have so many orders that it's overwhelming you. That is a feeling you can use. Or maybe you want to hear from your specific person, or maybe you just want to be in a relationship with your specific person. Get annoyed that they always want to hang out with you. You're like, I need to breathe. They want to be with me 24/7. It's kind of annoying. Can I just take a shower alone, please? I need some me time. They always want to be with me. Use that. If you want to use this for other people, maybe you're manifesting for someone to have better health in their life. And you can use this annoyance that They are so healthy now that they are always calling, texting, wanting to go out to eat and celebrate because they're so healthy. And it's like, woo, girl, I'm so happy that you're healthy now, but I can't go out drinking anymore. I've been drinking for days celebrating how healthy you are. Imagine that. You can even do that with friends. You can imagine, say if you want to manifest friends, you can imagine being at a restaurant with friends, and it's so annoying how long it's taking the waiter to bring your drinks with your girlfriends, with your guy friends. That's how you manifest, by using your feelings of being annoyed. There are so many different ways. Say if you want to manifest a house, you can start imagining yourself being so annoyed how dusty it gets because you're living in this 10,000 square foot home, and every place you see around your home, you're like, there's dust. But thankfully you've been cashing checks and having to go to the bank, and now you can hire a full-time staff to clean your house. But how annoying it is that you have dust all over your house, all over your 10,000 square foot house. I mean, you can really play with this, have fun, get annoyed and use that feeling. And a lot of people can get really annoyed easily. So use that annoyance to create the things that you want in your life. Okay, so I want you to get annoyed. Stop saying to yourself, oh man, I shouldn't be annoyed. I should be grateful. I should be thankful. Yes, you should. Absolutely. But a lot of times we get frustrated and mad and angry, and we need to use those feelings to create the life that we want. I've done it so many times, and I want my powerful creators to get annoyed, to use your anger. I've said this in other videos. If you're angry, scream your affirmations. Scream them at the top of your lungs, Just scream them. Do whatever you need to do, but don't suppress any feelings, either negative or positive. Don't suppress them. Don't put them aside and say, no, I'm not allowed to do that. Feel the feelings and use it to create the life that you want. You're gonna have so much fun with this technique. Get annoyed. Now I want you to comment below, I create things easily. I create the desires I want in my life easily. It happens so easy for me. It's just so easy. I want you to say this while you're doing this technique about being annoyed, because at the same time, you want to be manifesting how easy it is for you to manifest, because it is. And so I want you to just really feel it, use your feelings, and just have fun with it. Get annoyed. Get annoyed. And the powerful creator of this video is Nikeia. Nikeia, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly, truly appreciate your love and support. It means so much to me. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment this secret word below. If you like this video, you'll like my next video on how to use telepathic messages to communicate with other people. Go check that video out now. Thank you again, powerful creators, for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!